everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling fan speed control switch. Now what this does is it adjusts the speed of the ceiling fan that spins around. You should have 3 different settings on this. For this job you'll need a pair of wire strippers, some electrical tape, a new ceiling fan speed control switch, and wire nuts. Now after you cut out your old speed control switch, you want to take your wire strippers and go about a 1/2 inch down and strip the coating off there. That way you can put your new speed control switch in with your wire nuts. Now after you've stripped all your wires, you want to take, and these are color coordinated. If you don't have the color coordinated, they have numbers on them. You want to follow the instructions in your specific switch to figure out which wire goes where. For this one, it's very simple because it's color coded. So we're just going to take and wire nut them together. I like to use the smaller wire nuts on this because it's a smaller gauge wire and you don't have these big bulky wire nuts all over the place in there. After you get all of them wire nutted, you're going to take your electrical tape and you're going to put just a little bit of electrical tape on there to keep the wire nuts from slipping off there through the vibration of the fan. And you only need about 2 to 3 inches of tape on there. And I just like to hit the bottom half of the wire nut and wrap the rest of it on the wire. After that's done, we're going to remove the trim cap here for the switch. Put the chain through the mounting hole. Kind of work it down in there so that way the threads stick out. Feed our cap back through and just go ahead and tighten that up. Make sure you don't go too tight because this is made of plastic and it might crack on you. And there you have it. That's how you can install a speed control switch for your ceiling fan. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.